Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer money to EQ Bank. This is a great way to save money, as EQ Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on savings accounts in Canada. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of saving money. Saving money is essential for achieving your financial goals, whether it's buying a house, paying for college, or just having a rainy day fund. If you're not already saving money, I encourage you to start today. Even if you can only save a little bit each month, it will add up over time. Now that we've talked about the importance of saving money, let's get started with transferring money to EQ Bank. Step 1. Open an EQ Bank account. The first thing you need to do is open an EQ Bank account. You can do this online in just a few minutes. Once you've opened your account, you'll need to create a password and set up your security questions. Step 2. Link your bank account. Next, you'll need to link your bank account to your EQ Bank account. This will allow you to transfer money between the two accounts. There are a few different ways to link your bank account to your EQ Bank account. You can use the EQ Bank app, or you can do it online through your EQ Bank account. Step 3. Transfer money to EQ Bank. Once you've linked your bank account to your EQ Bank account, you can transfer money between the two accounts. There are a few different ways to transfer money to EQ Bank. You can use the EQ Bank app, or you can do it online through your EQ Bank account. You can also transfer money to EQ Bank using Interac eTransfer. This is a free service that allows you to send and receive money instantly. Step 4. Monitor your transfers. Once you've transferred money to EQ Bank, it's important to monitor your transfers to make sure that everything went through correctly. You can check your transfer status in the EQ Bank app, or you can do it online through your EQ Bank account. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for transferring money to EQ Bank. Be sure to enter the correct amount. It's easy to make a mistake when entering a large amount of money. Double-check the recipient's name and account number. Make sure that you're transferring money to the correct person. Allow some time for the transfer to process. It can take a few days for your transfer to process. Be patient. If you're having trouble transferring money to EQ Bank, don't panic. Just give it some time and try again later. That's all there is to it. Transferring money to EQ Bank is easy and convenient. And if you're looking for a great way to save money, I highly recommend EQ Bank. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.